In 2019, registration and payment for all SMGA events will be through the Tournament Management System, created by Golf Genius for USGA. This tutorial will demonstrate how to sign up for a partner event. The process is similar to signing up for an individual event or a four-man team event, but has some subtle differences. The first step, however, is to click the golf ball. Doing so will bring you to the sign-in screen. As before, enter your email and your password, click Remember Me, and sign in. We're now ready to review the event schedule, looking for a partner event. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will use event number 3 at the Country Club of Hilton Head. By clicking the logo or the blue title of the event will take us to the screen describing the tournament. If that's the tournament you're looking for, click Register Now. Continue by clicking Submit Registration. Confirm you wish to enter event number 3 and click Next. That will take you to this screen, which shows not only your information, but asks for the name of the partner with which you would like to play. One of two options occurs now. If you have a partner with whom you would like to play, add his name. If you don't, but still want to play in the event, you can simply type in None. Then click I acknowledge and Next. As with individual registration, you'll have to add your billing details and click Next. That will take you to the registration fee page where you will enter your credit card details and click Pay. Once you've successfully completed all steps, you will receive an email from SMGA noting that fact. However, please understand that your registration will not allow you to be entered into the queue unless you have either entered a partner name or none, and if you have entered a partner name, your partner has also registered for the event, indicating your name as the partner with whom he would like to play. This concludes tutorial number 4 on how to sign up and pay for a partner event.